What's up guys, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are again on Wells Fargo, and I'm going to be teaching you how to use this platform so you can use Zelle quick transfer options. So guys, make sure to stay until the end of the video. But before we move on, it would mean a lot if you subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell on. Guys, basically what you need to do is, of course, you need to enroll your eligible US-based checking or savings account in a quick and convenient way. You can do it right in Wells Fargo online or at the Wells Fargo mobile app. What you need to do is sign on and select transfer and pay on the desktop or pay and transfer on the mobile app. Second option is go to the send money with Zelle and view the welcome note. Read and accept the Zelle transfer service addendum. Then enroll an email address or US mobile number and select the account where you want money to be deposited. You're ready to use Zelle. Then you need to add contacts to it, sign on and select transfer and pay or pay and transfer depending on what you use. Select Zelle, and from the Zelle screen select QR code to scan a recipient's QR code and continue to send money, or select recipient or add recipient and select the plus option. From the add recipient screen, enter recipient's details. So basically just press save and your contact is added to Zelle. Then how to send money with it: just sign on and select transfer and pay or pay and transfer, again as I told you, depending on what you use. Select Zelle, pick option which is send, select recipient, enter amount, select review and just easily press send. Basically guys, that's the entirety of the process on how to use Zelle quick transfer option on Wells Fargo. So basically guys, that's the entirety of the process. Thank you so much for watching and see you in our future videos. Goodbye.